Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I will show you two methods to install Netflix on your Amazon Firestick device. First I will show you how you can sideload Netflix on Firestick. So as many regions this app is restricted and you will see enable issue there. But after watching this video till the end, you can easily sideload Netflix on Fire TV Stick within few minutes. Let's begin. Before we proceed to the installation section, first we need to turn on apps from unknown source. Without this, we are not able to install any application on our Fire Stick. So just hold remote home button for a few seconds and here click on settings, slide down and click on my Fire TV. Again slide down and open developer options. And here you will find two options. So scroll down apps from unknown source and press remote select button. Warning message appear on your screen, so select turn on. And here as you can see, apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here we need to install downloader app that is used to download third-party applications. Through this app, we install Netflix on our Fire Stick. So just where to find, slide down and click on search. Now type here downloader. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. So scroll down and click on downloader. And here click on orange color downloader icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire Stick. Just click on download button. And here as you can see, downloader app start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So here as you can see, downloader app has been installed. Now select open to launch. When you launch downloader app first time, a dialog will appear asking permission to access photos, media and files. So just select allow and then click on OK to dismiss quick start guide. So guys, this is the home screen of downloader app that has only a simple box there and some menus on the left side. So just hover to a small box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. Now type your app URL address exactly as it's showing on your screen. After typing URL address, slide down and click on go button. And it will connect into a server. After that, app downloaded in few seconds depending on your internet connection. Now I will show you how you can download the Netflix app from the Amazon App Store. So just where to find, slide down and click on search and type your Netflix. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. So slide down and click on Netflix. And here click on white color Netflix icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire Stick. So just click on download button and the Netflix app start downloading automatically. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. And here as you can see, Netflix app has been installed. Now you open this app from here and also from home. So after installing, go back home screen by pressing remote home button, and here hold remote home button for a few seconds. Click on apps, and guys, here you find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire Stick device. So scroll down and highlight Netflix icon, press remote option button, slide down and click on move to front. And guys, here as you can see, Netflix app is front of your all Amazon applications. Now launch Netflix and log in with your account and watch your favorite movies, TV shows, documentary, entertainment and much more on your Fire Stick. So guys, you can use this method to sideload Netflix on your Amazon Fire Stick device, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.